Learning about some of our letter sounds in class this week. I'm going to read you a story, and I want you to pay close attention to some of those familiar letters we hear. Look at this book. Have you ever seen a book this big?
I've never seen a book that big.
It's pretty big. What do you think this book could be about?
I think it could be about school buses.
Maybe. It does have a school bus on the front. What are some familiar letters we see?
B.
B in the word big, and B in the word bus. What else?
L.
L in the word yellow. All right, so we're going to go ahead and read the big yellow bus. All right, boys and girls, and as I start reading, if you hear some familiar words or phrases, I want you to go ahead and say them with me. The big yellow bus comes down the street, down the street, down the street. The big yellow bus comes down the street. Who will ride to school? The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 on the way to school. The zebras on the bus say zip, 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 zip. The zebras on the bus say zip, 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 on the way to school. The yaks on the bus go yawn, 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 yawn. The yaks on the bus go yawn, 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 on the way to school. The lions on the bus sing la, 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 la. The lions on the bus sing la, 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 on the way to school. The sheep on the bus say shh, 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 shh. The sheep on the bus say shh, 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 on the way to school. The animals on the bus go up and down, up and down, up and down. The animals on the bus go up and down, on the way to school. The big yellow bus stops at the school, at the school, at the school. The big yellow bus stops at the school. Time for class to start. The end.